Mana kapi, mana kapi. Miming! Dili gani magsinalaw, be? Kaduday, oryo na po kaduday. Age! Ay, matubag. Just a favorite too. Gaman ng viewers. One ano. Puyo ba? Hello, TK Rhea. Puyo daw, Ming. Nagsinalaw lagi mo. Sirap. Okay, Ming. Na. Is your hair natural color? No. I colored it. Matcha brown ba yun? Talking of Vigo. Hello, Adam. Hello, Paul Cole. Hello, Winslow. Hello. Hi, Boom. Shake. Hi, samo kayong Miming. Should I get, no. Ayaw ba, Miming? Hello, Matt. Can you follow me, my princess? Later, King of Vigo. My hands are dirty. Ingot. Kuha na sa daw yung bigay. Magkuha kong silhig. Yang. Kuha na sa bakit. Magkuha kong silhig. Sama na. Sunod na ng liyan. Pagpuyo. La princess. Naog, ha? Naog. Princess? Yeah, I'll follow you later, James. Follow sa daying. Ayan, kanang. Let's make some friends. Yeah, for sale. Let's be friends. Ay. No!
Kanawang mini yan.
I don't do fried cat. They want na. I will fry you first. Agay! Sakit ako eh. Agay ba may? Ito eh. So many cats, so many dogs, so many chickens. Why you have so many cats? Because I love cats. So that we have so many cats. Check the later, James. My hands are dirty. What do you mean spay them? Hello, Andy. Thank you, James. And some no. It's so nice to have a planted cat. It can relieve stress. Hello, Raymond. Si Duday, do you like to dance? No, I don't. I like to dance, but naikada na natin. Gawin ang iyong, oh. Grabe kag naumangtas kag iyong, no. Cats are bad. They kill birds to small animals. No, they're not bad. You're just helping us. Hello, Rascal. Welcome back.
Sama
You're bad, Miming. Do your dogs and cat fight? Yes, always.
Surprise ka yan.
Look at my cat, for sale.
Ano ba doon? Ano hindi ko kapag Ano hindi ko kapag yan?
Who wins me?
Kaya na.
Hawa sa mga ba? How about your dog? My dog? There's so plenty. They fight.
Kami ko kaya mo.
Hello, D. Gahi kayo siya, no? 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 Tapo, kumusta? Okay lang, Sahib. Ikaw, kumusta ka? Miming cat. I mean, between the cat and the Gowen's pet. The dog. They're big. Hawa sa bahan. Hello, Samu. Hello, Anche Camel. Yeah, eating rice.
Nasusunod sa mo.
Yeah.
Lifted you before.
Blackheart, didn't send the money. Why? Why? Why, Sahib?
Kuwasa daw na si Conlea no. Si Sharpie, badali ah.
Sus, kakaunta i-reject sa daw yun. Thank you, C-Note. Hi, boys.